Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you liked my previous video. So today we are gonna be unboxing this acrylic paints that my dad bought for me. Yes, aka the cameraman right now. So first things first. What? Oh, here. So hang on, my hands all loose, buddy. Also, there's gonna be more ASMR today. Oh. Alright guys, we're gonna be unboxing plastic ASMR. This plastic. Finally! First ASMR with the plastic. Sorry about that guys, I couldn't help it. Alright, now wow, this is so majestic, y'all. Now, how do I take it out? I need help. Okay guys, sorry about my voice crack and scream at the same time. Mom, I need your help. Cutely fidgeting with this. Oh, thank you for being so kind. Oh my god. Popping ASMR, y'all. Trust. Also, this might take a while, guys. So, skip this part if you, if you don't want to watch this part. Guys, sorry about how everything is flying away from me. Guys, please stand by. Please stand by. Guys, trust. Everything's totally fine. It's just that I kinda spilled it everywhere, but this is not the paint, okay? Oh. Okay, so like we got the free brush, yes. We got free brush, y'all. Turn up your volume. Mwahaha. I'm done. I have no idea what's this thing for. Okay, let's check out the colors by the way. I don't even understand a single one. Okay, by the way, let me so guys, tell you, so which one is your favorite color? Mine is, wait, is there seriously no pink? Yeah, okay. And there's 24 colors. Yes, exactly 24. Can you see my hand? Oh well. Which is your favorite color, y'all? This is probably my favorite one here because, yeah, I don't know. There's this random hair on the There's this random thing on this brush that I cannot get out, but okay. Time to listen to some ASMR. Did this become my piano? Guys, did this become my piano? Ah! Sorry about that. If that sounded weird. By the way, guys, remember in the last video I asked you what's your favorite movie, and I didn't know what was mine. Mine is Transylvania. Like you know Transylvania, that one vampire girl named Mavis. You know her? Yeah. And what was the funny part for you in Transylvania? Mine is pretty obvious. It's pretty obvious, and I can't stop thinking about it right now. Okay, don't mind me playing with brush. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna be throwing this plastic. Just wait for at least 1 minute, okay? Just wait for me, okay? Your little YouTuber will be right back. Back, y'all. Alright, so I don't know what else to do right now. I guess I'll just put this back. Wait, what? Oh, it's this way. Where's the box? Okay, forget about the box for now. By the way, guys, do you like have the same paints as me? Tell me in the comments, and don't mind this random pin. Also stay tuned for more videos, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.